So this is how we will be making thousands of dollars for the FIFA World Cup that's actually starting tomorrow, which is the 11th of June. You understand? So pay attention and watch this video to the end so that you'll be learning all the parts. We'll be posting, I'll be teaching you guys how to create two types of videos that we'll be using, you understand, to be posting in this FIFA World Cup. Which the first one is actually the highlights, you understand, which we'll be posting on TikTok, and also the second one will be the commentary, you understand, that we're posting on YouTube Shorts. So I'll be teaching you guys how to do it very well, you understand, how to edit it properly so that you don't get copyright on YouTube Shorts and also on TikTok, you understand. So on TikTok, you'll be needing a UK account, which is actually monetizable, so you can't do it with your local account, you understand, but if you have a UK account that is actually monetizable, you can go with it, you understand. So in this video, you'll be learning how to make the highlights, you understand. So I will be breaking this video into two parts. So this part we are doing right now is how to create the highlights. So the second part, which will be posted tomorrow or next, which actually be how to create the commentary, you understand. So that one would be a little bit harder, you understand. So you need to pay attention, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get reminded when I drop this video tomorrow or next, you understand. Okay, before we continue, if you need help creating the UK account, watch one of my videos in this channel where I teach how to create a UK TikTok account that is actually monetizable, or click the link in the description of this video and it will take you straight to my WhatsApp, and then you message me and I will help you out with it. So let's dive into it. Okay, so you need to come to YouTube and search for FIFA, then you click our video channel. So for this part, we'll be making football highlights that will be posted on TikTok, you understand. So and the next part will be about posting commentaries that will be posted on YouTube Shorts, you understand, so that will avoid copyright. So in this method that we'll be doing, you will not be getting any copyright, you understand. So let's dive into it. So if the match starts, it will be the matches that are played that we'll be doing. But for the sake of this video, you can just choose any matches here. So let me click at this first one here.
Save time creating content and generate a high quality.
So to get viral videos, you understand, you need to scroll to the part that is actually very interesting, either a part that they score goals or something like that. To get viral videos, you can't just start anywhere and start screen recording. No, you need to drag it to the place that are interesting, you understand, that you know that it's interesting, you understand. So let me check. You can see here, you can see that this place is quite interesting, so we just draw it back a little bit. From here, you can see the hyping has started coming in. You can see that the hyping has started coming in here. So what we do is that from here, you can see you'll be screen recording it from here. So let me play it so you start screen recording. If you watch very well and the video isn't okay, or let me shift it a little bit. So let me start from here. For the one that you post on TikTok, you make sure that the video will actually reach at least 50 seconds to a minute, you understand, so that because you'll be giving more watch time, because more watch time on TikTok equals to more views, you understand. So if you're not posting videos that are not long, TikTok will not push it normally as it should, you understand. So that's how it is. When you're screen recording, you'll be going to the editing part. So the creating highlights is not that hard, it's not hard. So the part that will be a little bit hard is creating the commentary, which will be at the next part, which will be posting tomorrow or next tomorrow, you understand. So let's move to the editing part. So we hand over to CapCut. So click at project. Okay, so you click at new video, then add that video we made. So just wait for it to load for some minutes, and then so let me cut out the parts that we're needing, you understand. So let me see. Okay, we're still going. So this screen record is like I did not start where I should, you understand. So you know that will not be that hard because you started the way you're supposed to start. So then we just shift it to that place. We just drag it to there. So okay, let me start from here. That's it. So you click split. You can see already right here. So if you have reached the point that you want to cut, you just click at it here and click split. So you delete this part, the part that you don't want here. You can see it. You can click delete because the delete button will pop out here. You can see it. You click delete, and then you find where it stopped. So we stopped here. You can see. So you click split again, and then you delete this part. So you'll be left with this part that you're needing. You can see. You'll be left with this part. So it should be just for the sake of this video. That's why I make it short like this. Understand? So if you can be clicking, you can be getting clips of many interesting parts in it. Understand? I even exceed that's up to a minute. Understand? So this one is just 12 seconds for the sake of this video. Understand? So this is what we're doing now. We'll click it, and then we'll go, or just leave it, then just scroll to the end and go to the aspect ratio. Click at it and put it to TikTok so that it'll be a little bit wider. Then you click send, then you come and click. You can click on the video or click on the timeline and you zoom it. See, you zoom it like this. So there's something you need to you add in, or if you don't, I just leave it like that. So what you'll be doing at first, if you screen record with this black stuff here, you click it and then crop the video. So this is how I do it. You scroll to see crop. So you first click at the timeline, then scroll to see crop. And see, click crop. And then you just need to shift it to you get the point you want. And also from here, you shift it to where you want. So that's what we're doing. Click mark and then it's good to go. So then you now go. You can see you if not click it, you know to add this thing I'm adding right now, you'll not be clicking the timeline. You just leave it. You understand? So you now scroll to the end. You can see background here. You click background, and then you click at this blurred background. So you can be adding something like this if you want. You understand? So if you don't want, you can leave it normally black. Like you can see, you can leave it like this if you don't want. Understand? So if you want, you add that blurred background. Understand? So you be adding the blurred background. So let me leave it like this. You can see it. So this we now go to the next part, which is adding adjusting, like adding color grading. So this is what you do right now. So you can see here, you scroll or you click at the timeline and on the video, and then you scroll till you see adjust. You can see this here right here. You click adjust. So just to change the aspect ratio, so it will be a little bit different from what you got. So you draw this opacity to at least, let me say 10, 15. You understand? This brilliance to at least 8 is okay. The sharpen to let me see, at least 20. So this brilliance, I'm not drawing it to the front, I'm drawing it to the back. I see it's minus. I see -5 or something like that. So even this saturation, so if one can do on like this in this brilliance, but I decided to leave it like this. And so in this saturation, you can see where I left it. You can see at 20 something. But if you want, you can draw it to the front. So let me just draw it to the front. You can see it's a little bit more clear. So let's leave it like this, and then there's nothing again you need to add. So you can increase the temp if you want. You can see, but you can just choose to leave it at 0. It's not that important. So you can see what we have right now. It's now showing in column more. So if you want, you can add background audios. You understand? So if you want, you can add background audios. So where you be posting it, you make sure that you need a UK TikTok account where you be posting it. So if you don't have a UK TikTok account, I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number on the description of this video. Understand? So you can, or you click the link there and it take you straight to my WhatsApp. But bear in mind, me creating it for you is not for free. You understand? So because you posting, because it's on the UK account that is actually monetizable. You understand? So that's how it is. You understand? So it's like we're done, because the highlights are actually very easy to create. So tomorrow we'll be breaking down and I'll be teaching you guys how to create the commentary, you understand, step by step. You understand? So it will be engaging and will actually go viral. So a tip, even if you have already gotten your UK account, what you'll be doing is you make sure to warm it for at least 24 hours to 48 hours, so that TikTok will not be detecting you as a bot before you start posting. Then you will now generate a profile and everything, and also get a description. Okay, let me tell you guys how to do it with ChatGPT. Okay, so I'll be using a voice note for this, so you just will send your written letters. So let me tell ChatGPT what we want. So I told it to give me the prompts, suggest the name that I'll be using for the TikTok that will align with the football, and also the image. You can see start generating the image, and also the TikTok bio, and also the name. Understand? So let's finish with the image, so then we'll continue. So a tip again is that when you start posting, make sure you be adding World Cup hashtag. You be hashtagging World Cup football and other stuff. You understand? So that it will be easy for the algorithm, TikTok algorithm, to notice what your video is all about. You understand? So all that things, you've seen it as minor things, but it literally helps a lot. It literally helps a lot. You understand? On your TikTok, because the algorithm will not be hard for it to detect what type of videos and what type of audience it will be pushing it to. You understand? And also, if you start posting, you'll be posting consistently. You understand? You post consistently. You can be posting like 3 times a day, because this highlights on is not that hard. This highlights on is not that. So you can see what you're giving us. So it's made a mistake, but you can just crop it out. If you are using it for, you can see this circle on here. You can just crop it out as your profile. You understand? Or you can tell it to help you regenerate it separately. So you can see there are many names suggested. You can see the names here. You can see the bio, and we are good to go. So it's actually very easy to create. As I say, the highlights is actually very easy to create. It's not that hard. So that is how it is. So tomorrow we'll be breaking down which is actually the most important parts that will be also posted, because those you can't post this. I can't post this on YouTube because of copyright. You understand? So that one is one I will be posting on YouTube, which is the commentary on that I will be posting on YouTube. And I'll be telling you guys how to get the script for the voiceover, how to edit it, how to source clips, how to get clips without watermark and everything. You understand? So that's what we're doing. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I do want to click the subscribe button right now to subscribe, and also click the notification bell so that when I post the video, the part of this video tomorrow, you get notified immediately. So see you tomorrow.